Trust is the foundation of citation. AI systems will not cite sources they don't trust, no matter how strong your content is otherwise. Think about it from the AI's perspective. If it cites inaccurate information, that reflects poorly on the AI itself. So these systems are designed to prefer sources with strong credibility signals, to cross-reference claims against multiple sources, to avoid sources with a pattern of inaccuracy, and to hedge or qualify anything that comes from an uncertain source. Your goal is simple: be a source that AI systems trust completely. In this lesson, we'll cover 5 categories of trust signals, the positive and negative patterns AI systems detect, and 4 practical steps for building trust into everything you publish. The first category is accuracy signals. These demonstrate that your information is correct. AI systems look for factual claims that match other reliable sources, statistics cited from credible research, no history of corrections or retractions, and information that is up to date. So, how do you build accuracy signals? Fact-check every claim before you publish, not after someone catches a mistake. Use primary sources whenever possible, instead of quoting someone who quoted someone else. Update your statistics and data regularly, because a page full of numbers from 3 years ago quietly erodes trust. And maintain a corrections policy and actually follow it. Accuracy is the baseline everything else builds on. If your facts don't hold up, none of the other signals will save you. The second category is transparency signals. These show you're honest about your methods and your limitations. Key signals include clear disclosure of affiliations and potential conflicts, methodology explanations, acknowledgement of uncertainty, and sourcing that can be verified. The lesson shows a concrete example from a CRM comparison article. The disclosure section states the article was researched independently, that the company receives no compensation from any CRM vendor mentioned, and that the author previously worked with one vendor as a consultant. The methodology section explains that pricing data came from vendor websites in January 2024, and user reviews were aggregated from G2, Capterra, and TrustRadius, with a minimum of 100 reviews per product. And the limitations section admits the analysis only covers small businesses, not enterprise. That honesty builds trust rather than undermining it. The third category is source citation signals, which prove your claims are backed by credible evidence. Look for links to authoritative sources, named experts with verifiable credentials, references to specific studies or reports, and inline citations for key claims. The lesson contrasts a weak citation with a strong one, and the difference is striking. The weak version says, "Studies show that CRM adoption improves sales. Which studies? By whom? Improves by how much?" An AI system can't verify any of that. The strong version says, "A 2023 Nucleus research study found that CRM adoption generates an average ROI of $8.71 for every dollar spent." Now there's a named source, a year, and a specific figure that can be checked. Always cite like the second example. The fourth category is institutional trust. Signals that your organization itself is credible. That means a clear about page with real company information, contact details, and a physical address, years in business, industry affiliations and certifications, plus a privacy policy and terms of service. The lesson's example about page states the company was founded in 2015, has helped over 500 businesses implement CRM systems, holds Salesforce and HubSpot partner certifications, and lists a full street address and phone number. The fifth category is editorial quality, clean, error-free writing, professional formatting, and logical structure. Build it by using professional editing, following a style guide, checking spelling and grammar, and keeping formatting consistent. Sloppy writing signals sloppy facts, so these 2 categories work together to show your whole operation is credible. AI systems don't evaluate a single page in isolation. They detect patterns across your content. On the positive side, consistent accuracy across everything you publish, regular citations of reliable sources, author credentials that actually check out when verified, claims that match the consensus on well-established topics, and transparency about methods and limitations. On the negative side, the red flags are just as clear. Sensationalist or clickbait headlines, unverifiable or unsourced claims, statements that conflict with authoritative sources, a lack of expertise signals, and promotional content disguised as editorial. That last one matters more than people think. If your so-called objective review is really an ad, AI systems can often tell, and it damages trust across your entire site, not just that one page. Here's the practical process in 4 steps. Step 1. Audit your existing content. Are all statistics sourced? Are author credentials visible? Is there methodology transparency? Are there outdated claims to update? Step 2. Establish trust infrastructure. That's a detailed about page, author bio pages, editorial standards documentation, a fact-checking process, and a corrections policy. Step 3. Build trust into content creation with a checklist. Every statistic has a source, credentials are included, methodology is explained, limitations are acknowledged, and conflicts are disclosed. The lesson also gives a full template. Author and credentials at the top, published and updated dates, a sources and methodology section, a limitations section, and disclosures at the end. Step 4. Maintain trust over time. Trust compounds, but so does distrust. Update outdated content promptly and correct errors publicly. Let's recap. Trust is the foundation of AI citation decisions. Accuracy signals prove your information is correct. Transparency signals show honesty about methods and limitations. Citation signals back up your claims with verifiable evidence. Institutional and editorial signals show your whole organization is credible. And building trust takes infrastructure, process, and ongoing maintenance. The lesson includes a full trust signals checklist covering all 5 categories so you can score any page you've published. Here's your next step. Open this lesson at freeacademy.ai, grab the checklist and the trust-building template, and run one of your own articles through it right now. You can even paste the checklist into ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to audit your page against each signal. The whole GEO course is completely free. In the next module, we cover content formatting and structured data for AI visibility.